If you're growing crops, you know that harmful insects can be devastating to your plants and harvests. Depending on what you're growing and defending against, you have many organic and natural options at your disposal. Here are 7 organic pest control methods to try on your farm. The best way to fight off pests is to detect them early and fight them when their numbers are small. This involves monitoring your space and the early detection of pests. The next best way is to use companion planting. An example of a planting like this would be planting marigolds with tomatoes or rosemary with broccoli. The scents of these companion plants are strong and deter pests from visiting your main crop. A smart way to keep pest populations down is by using their natural predators. Green lacewings and ladybugs are a few examples of beneficial insects that can naturally help reduce a variety of garden pests without pesticides. You might use Bacillus thuringiensis on your farm for pest outbreaks. Bt is a naturally occurring soil bacterium that produces a protein that is toxic to certain insects when ingested. Instead of planting garlic, you might decide instead to spray the plant with garlic. This works just like planting garlic to deter pests. Another way you can fight against pests is by using diatomaceous earth, or DE. This fine powder can be sprinkled around plants or on pests. It is effective against pests that have a hard, waxy exoskeleton, like beetles. This powder is abrasive to pests and causes them to dehydrate. You can use spinosad on your crop. This naturally occurring substance produced by soil bacteria fermentation is a broad-spectrum organic insecticide. It is on the approved list for organic farming on the Organic Materials Research Institute list. It is generally considered safe to mammals, but it's important to note that this is lethal to bees. Keep those rows covered with floating row covers. Row covers are a woven or plastic material that is placed over the growing area to protect and cover the plants. It is put over the crop at the time of planting and removed at harvest to keep the plant protected. We wish you the best of luck in your planting season. And as always, happy farming!